Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 C300 4MATIC. This one is a sunlight gray. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we got 17-inch split 5-spoke alloys. Black MB Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Comfort box for extra storage. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, our keys for our media display, cup holders, USB ports, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 5,279 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.